So I'm going to prove to you that 0 divided by 0 is equal to 2 and not 0 or infinity. Let me take you through that right over here. So I'm going to consider this approach, the approach of 100, missing 100 minus 100, we know it is equal to 0, and I take the denominator to be also 100 minus 100, which also is equal to 0. But if you can recall, 100 can be written as 10 squared, and 100 minus 100 also you can factor out 10 to have 10 into 10 minus 10. With that information, then we take the numerator to be 10 squared minus 10 squared. If you want to find the value there, it will still take you back to 0. And the denominator, I factor out 10. I have 10 into 10 minus 10. It would still give you a denominator of 0. Okay. So if you can still recall a difference of two squares, for example, difference of two squares, like in the case of x squared minus y squared, that is like x plus y into brackets x minus y. If you open this x plus y and the other brackets x minus y, you will still get back to x squared minus 10 squared. Now with that knowledge, then we get to know that 10 squared minus 10 squared is another difference of two squares. So we can rewrite that as 10 plus 10 in brackets, then into another brackets 10 minus 10. If you open this using the same root as in x squared minus y squared, it would still take you to 10 squared minus 10 squared. This gives us our numerator, which is over here. The denominator, we bring in the case of factoring out 10, so that you have 10 into 10 minus 10. So this is the case. Now 10 squared minus 10 squared divided by 10 into 10 minus 10 can be written as 10 plus 10 in brackets into 10 plus 10 in brackets into 10 minus 10 in brackets. Then you divide by 10 into 10 minus 10. This 10 minus 10 can cancel out with the denominator 10 minus. We have a numerator of 10 minus 10 and the denominator of 10 minus 10. So this can cancel out. If that happens, then we are going to remain with 10 plus 10 in the numerator and the denominator 10. So we have 10 plus 10 divided by 10, which is mathematically correct. 10 plus 10 is 20, divided by 10, that gives you 2. And therefore, I will have proven that 0 divided by 0 is equal to 2 and not 0 nor infinity.